Being charged with a criminal offense, it's a big deal. What it means is the government is trying, very likely, to put you in a cage. What you need at a time like this is not a lawyer who dabbles in criminal law, who does it on the side, or who has fancy jingles or some mascot or something like that. You need a lawyer who's totally committed to really fighting the case. That means fighting the state. It's a big undertaking. How do you find such a lawyer? Well, a shortcut way to do that is to find somebody who says, I am a certified specialist in criminal law. Why is that a big deal? Because the word specialist in Arizona is very highly regulated. The state bar gets to decide who gets to call themselves a specialist and who doesn't. Currently, only about 5% of the lawyers in Arizona can say, I am a certified specialist. What's involved in that are a whole host of requirements. Among them, you have to be practicing for more than 5 years. There are anonymous peer reviews where adversaries are asked to submit their comments about what it's like to have you on the other side of the case. You have to be devoted more than 50% of your practice to that area. You need to lay out how many trials you've done, how many appeals and evidentiary hearings. Are you somebody who's really committed to that practice area? If indeed the bar determines that you get to call yourself a certified specialist, well then, you are required to keep a higher level of continuing legal education. What does that mean? It means you really need to stay abreast of the changes, in my case, in criminal law, so you know what's going on in that practice area. Look, if you want a lawyer who's just going to hold your hand and walk you through the criminal justice system, hire somebody else. If you want to really fight your case, if you want somebody who's going to be aggressive at fighting your case, come here to the Attorneys for Freedom Law Firm.